Here's my last ever video of the Otis Lexans at Indooroopilly shopping centre. My next video of these will be replaced. Oh whoa! That didn't... They've speeded up the door already. The heck? Maintained by Schindler. Cab view. Go to maybe this one might have been out of order while we were in Europe, in Italy. Well, that didn't sound good. Still looks the same from last time, but go to 6. Here we are at 6.
Hitting now?
Yep.
Thank you.
Right, and we'll end the video on 5. Oh, it's stopping at 2. Oh. We are at 1. Still says it's going down, which I'm not sure what Dewhurst these are. Could be US 90, but
Wrong one.
that door sounds funny than last time. Cab view. Here we are at 5. We'll end the video here.